pretty sure this is the x-axis. Something kind of like that. It looks level. Very level. I mean, we never changed anything between it not working and it working. I don't think it's deformed. I mean, I can't get this off, like, at all. Like, no matter what I do, nothing will come off. In the middle, there's quite a lot, but that's just probably because we've, printed so much on it, and it's just, nothing will come off no matter what we do. I've been trying to scrape it, whatever. From what I can tell, it doesn't look like it's deformed or anything. Like, here's the pad underneath. Then we got that. So yeah, that's all I think I have to do.